How's it going, guys? In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find out what type of ink your HP DeskJet needs. Now, not every DeskJet needs the same type of ink, and it also depends where in the world you are. If you're in America, you might need the different type of ink compared to whether you're in the European states. So let's get straight into it. Now, it's actually really simple how to find out what ink your printer needs. What we're going to do is we're going to open up this front panel. Now, this applies to all DeskJets, by the way, especially those in the 2600, 2700 and 2800 series. So to find out what ink we need, we're going to pull this front panel out. Now, you might have to pull this front panel off first. And somewhere in your printer, in this front panel, normally right there, it should say which type of ink you need. This says 304. So this needs 304 ink. Now, if you're wondering what this number means, what it's referring to, I'll show you. I'm going to pull one of these out. You just kind of pull towards you. As you can see, it says 304 on the ink cartridge, and that matches the 304 that this printer needs. Now, I will say, guys, that actually other ink cartridges will fit inside. For instance, I know 301 fits inside of 304. However, they will not work. Even if it fits, it won't work. And that's because only the number that it says works, basically. And that's just kind of how the HP cookie grumbles, okay? So, guys, that was how you find out which number your ink is and how you identify the correct ink for your printer. You can also probably just Google it and ask ChatGPT, but if you have the printer here, just open up the front panel and it will tell you exactly which one you need. It's very easy to order the wrong ink, and it's really annoying because the wrong ink doesn't always work. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, please help us out by subscribing and liking. And if you plan to buy any ink for your printer, maybe you want to buy 304 cartridges, or if you're in America, the 64 cartridges, check out the link in our description. We have a really trusted and good and cheap, genuine ink cartridge provider. So have a nice day, check out our channel, and goodbye.